Now, please help me welcome One America Financial's Vice President and Head of Enterprise Digital Strategy, Fuad Butt, to present the Tech Innovation of the Year Award.
Chelsea, thank you. It's great to be with you all. There's nothing like being at the Oscars of Indiana Tech to get re-energized about being an Indiana Tech community. Chelsea told me that we had more than 24 entries for Tech Innovation of the Year this year. That's a category record and just one more proof point that Indiana is the hotbed of tech innovation and exploration. One America Financial has been innovating too. You may have noted that recently we rebranded to add financial to our name to ensure consumers know where our focus is. As part of that, we also updated our logo, our websites, and probably the most important thing to this crowd, our user experience. We were honored to be nominated in the digital transformation category this year for our work in using the latest technology to improve how the company operates and innovates. We did all of that on budget and on time, by the way. The Tech Innovation of the Year Award recognizes tech R&D efforts and other trailblazing discoveries that are on path to groundbreaking products that have significant impact potential to transform a product category or an entire industry. And the nominees are?
The nominees for the Tech Innovation of the Year are 120 Water, Advarank, Arctic RX, Compact Medical Inc., Folia, HC1, Indiana Department of Workforce Development, Novalytic LLC, Recovery Force Health, RX Lighting, and Valgotech LLC.
And the Mira Award goes to Compact Medical.
Even the most impressive innovation will eventually need iteration. And in the case of equipment that first responders use while employing CPR, 50 years has passed from initial development with little, if any, update. Enter Compact Medical and its new Butterfly BVM, which helps provide the right amount of air at the right pressure for each patient. Further, the company has partnered with the Hope Center, an organization that helps human traffic victims recover, as its manufacturing partner. The team's passion for its work stood out to the judges, who said the brief training required to use the technology was super good UX. Accepting this award is CEO Jonathan Merrill.
Chelsea was like our mom when we were at G Beta. She's fantastic. We just love her. So, what a great state. Yeah, Indiana's amazing. The name Hoosier by Choice has come up a few times. My wife and I are Hoosiers by choice. We moved from the East Coast, came out here for residency. We could have ended up in a number of places for our training, and I am so glad we ended up right here in Indiana. I'm so grateful for my business partner here, Adam. He had to come up with me. It's he and me just mostly for all the work in the company. I'm so grateful for him. Adam staked his future on an opportunity to jump in and start a company with me, and neither of us had any more business experience than the next person. And we've built it on hard work and a lot of prayer, and here we are. So it's been great. Why does this matter? So 1 out of every 5 people you meet will someday go into cardiac arrest. Their hearts are going to stop beating. 1 out of every 5, just thinking about that. And tragically, most of those people will not make it, even if they receive CPR. CPR is just broken. It needs to be improved. And just like Chelsea said, part of the reason for this is because we are using technology that was invented back in the 1950s to do our CPR still today. And so we think it's time for a change. That's why we've invented the Butterfly BVM, which is truly a revolution in how we give air to critically ill patients. And hopefully you never need it. Hopefully you never need it. But if you do, we are confident that you'll be resuscitated with the safest and best background mask possible on the market. Our hearts are full. We're so grateful for this opportunity, and we just would like to thank the whole state of Indiana, TechPoint, our family of G Beta who helped get us started, all of our mentors, advisors, our investors, and we would just like to save our greatest gratitude for the sacred support we owe to our spouses, our children, our family, and thank you all. God bless.